Okay mga idol, pakpaka na mga idol. UBL MBRE Season 6 Balay-Balay City.
Sabi sa.
Okay, umpisa ng laban mga idol. 10 under division. Shout out kay Coach Darwin Hinabe, ang pinakabagsik sa Balay-Balay City. Pakipalo siyang vlog mga idol. Okay, jump ball. Here comes Hinabe.
Igawa sa pen, PJ!
Here comes Barangan. Oh, what a shot by Barangan Skyler! Pumapalakpak ang mga kakampi. Bonus throw mula kay Skyler Barangan. Complete.
Man!
Jumble ang tawag ng referee. For natin mga idol, 3-0 CGL. Nasa labas si Casuno. Casuno to Barangan. Ibinalik kay Casuno. Dangerous pass steal by Selva. Here comes Hinabe. Hinabe to wala. Here comes Palamini for the rebound. Jumble ang tawag ng referee, Selva and Palamini. Sayang. Grabe. Time out muna si Coach Darwin Hinabe. Time remaining 5 minutes and 40 seconds for the first quarter. The score is 3-0 CGL. Okay, time for the time out. Here comes Hinabe. Here comes Barangan on the finish. What a shot by Scholar Barangan.
PJ!
But there's a foul jersey number 12 Palamini. Score mga idol 5-0. 5 minutes and 15 for the first quarter.
Ayan, ball check!
What a shot by Selva. Hinabi basketball. Here comes
PJ,
Hinabi.
tulog! Tulog! Tulog ba? Ah.
Dagan man!
Agi na! Agi! Gamit ang board! Gamit ang board!
Ay! Sayang!
Gamit ang board!
It's a line violation. Ball's positioned by Kinos. 3 minutes and 55. Score is 5-2.
PJ!
CGL.
Ah!
Huli mula kay Skyler Barangan. Eurostep. Ay! Sayang! Barangan for the putback po. Palamini tumira ng dos. Bang! What a shot by Palamini! Grabe ang laban na to mga idol.
PJ! Come on! Come on!
Wow! Ay! Ay!
Jensen! Shante!
Tira!
Kayo!
Ah, grabe. Nice one! Oh! Back-to-back shot by Palamini! Let's go, Warriors! Defense! Ding, ding, ding. Defense! Nice one, Sky! Wow! Grabe ang laban na to mga idol. Hinabi, kulap jumper. Ayaw pa rin. Skarte! Supal pa lang inabot. Oh! Wala shot by Paulite! Defense!
Hello, Sky!
Wala. 6-11 ang score for the first quarter.
Tanaw, kilit.
Time remaining 1 minute and 51. The score is 11-6. CGL. Wow! Good pass by Skyler Barangay. Sayang! Ay, grabe! Sige! Turnover. Ball position by CGL. Paulite, tumira ng dos. Not this time. Palamini for the rebound. Here comes Barangan. Up and down shot. Wala. Wow! Ganda na extra pass.
13-3.
Barangan for the finish. Mahina.
On 8.
Wow! Ayaw. Malas si Skyler Barangan. Oh, nice one. First charity throw of Palamini is miss. Last throw of Mr. Palamini. In and out, Barangan for the put back. Sayang.
8, 9,
Time out muna si Coach Joseph Lantong for 10 seconds, 0.6 time remaining. Score is 13-8.
13-8, favor of PCA.
Grabe, mga ansi man eh.
Uy, oras na, oras na.
Kuha nam. Okay, second quarter mga idol. Inbound by Salwa Aito Pamero. Pamero to De La Cruz.
Ayaw eh.
Balls position by CJL.
Bisa giplasan.
Bidaswa, tumira ng dos. One a shot by Bidaswa.
Ay, luwa!
Jumble ang tawag ng referee. 59,
Dami mo
6
kami.
minutes and 17.
Score 59, favor of PCA. Score.
Comes Pamero. Steal by De La Cruz. It's a line violation. Balls position by CJL.
Jazz, sundi lang, Jazz! Jazz, sundi lang, Jazz! Switch, switch!
Alambatang to Cortez. Cortez, supal pa lang inabot.
Jumble.
Tawag ng referee.
Rebound! Pasa! Pasa!
Oh, stepping on the line. Ang score mga idol.
Oyo! Rato!
Subsuban! Sayang. Fernandez for the
Luwa!
win back.
Luwa! Luwa!
pumasok.
Oh! Okay, Leo!
Okay, last shot. Bedaswa on the drives. Oh, na shot by Bedaswa. Substitution, Brett. Out muna si Plasos. Pasok muna si jersey number 23. Chinos basketball. Comes Alambatang. Alambatang on the drives. Malakas. Pamiro na rebound.
Pasa balik!
Oh, wow! Ang ganda! Wow! Na-shot by Pamiro! Galing naman, ang galing!
19-30. With up. Game.
Inning, 3 minutes and 3. 19-30 ng score, mga idol.
Ay, nagtagatuan. Dali na. Wala nagtagatuan ko sa inyo. Okay? Ian,
First,
basaw!
last throw of jersey number 7. Ismis. Noah for the rebound.
How's you? How's you?
De La Cruz on the finish! Grabe, ayaw talaga pumasok mula kay George Branco.
Akian! Dadan! Dadan! Nice one, you! Nice to you! Go!
Nasa labas si Salo Ay. In and out, Fernandez. It's a double violation, double dribble violation. 19-14, 2 minutes and 24 for the second quarter.
Hello.
At mula si Coach Darwin Inabe.
Score 19-14. Time.
2 minutes and 10,
2 minutes
19-14.
and
Tol, game na ka, Tol. Kaya kayo mga Tol, nalalayan ito, Tol. Tol, pasa. Gawas. Gawas. Hey, ball check! Switch!
De La Cruz. Bang! What a shot by George Franco De La Cruz!
21-14.
The Warriors! Seryo, luto ng limpo yun!
Ton. May mudagan. Sa mudagan na.
Bonus throw mula kay De La Cruz. Perfect.
Hey! Ton!
1 minute and 50, 22-14.
The score, time 1 minute and 53 seconds. Begin. Eight.
Huli!
Huli ka dyan.
Grabe lang tawag ng referee.
Grabe, 1 minute. Yan. Score, 22-16. Favor CJ.
Yes!
Five, 4, 3. Oh, time for second period.
That's the end of the second quarter. Score natin mga idol, 6-10, 20.
Score, 32-16.
Muli among coach mga idol diri sa Malay-Balay. Kagawad Coach Darwin Hinabe. Okay, third quarter na mga idol. Third quarter na. Kaway-kaway coach. Grabe ha. Mana yung ginabiyahe si Kyrie man? Huli! Lausaw! Barangan on the finish. Ay, grabe, sayang. Jumbo, tawag ng referee.
Bola sa black.
Sure! Nice one, Tong! Grabe, Bintong.
Favor of CJ. 11 seconds.
Dipasan!
Ayaw! Nice one, man! Ay! Pasa na! Sorsen! Sorsen! Sure! Nice one! Time out muna si Coach Darwin Hinabe. Time remaining 5 minutes and 7. The score is 24-19 CGL.
Hello.
BJ, stay ka! Masuk na lang.
Travel ang tawag na referee. Wala kay Fernandez. Jaden.
Time for 54 seconds.
Let's do you.
Good ball.
Wow! What a nice pass! What a nice pass over De La Cruz!
Time 4 minutes and 55 seconds.
Huli mo na kay Chow Chow Barangan. 26 4 minutes and 13.
Bantay, bantay! Play! Ito lang.
Gugna Sky! Gugna! Challenge! Nice one!
Ay, natagpasa yun.
Sprint series! Sprint!
Sub, sub.
Ton!
Stop. Ako gagawin mong kawan.
Labas mo na si Tonton Pamero. Palit mo na kay Bidaswa.
Throw.
Nice one, Sen!
Ball. Igor block.
Wow! What a nice pass by Barangan over Palamini.
29-19. Igor Sigil. Double. Shot.
19-29, 2 minutes and 46. Grabing ginawa ni Palamini, mga idol.
Continues. Bola
False position by CGL.
2 minutes and 31 seconds.
Nice one! Uy!
Score 2 minutes and 10 seconds.
Pasa na ton!
Score 54 seconds. Score 1 minute and 9 seconds.
Ayaw!
Atlang 18. Second throw. No good.
Buk na you! Buk na you!
Ano yaw?
44 seconds.
Oh! Offensive foul ang tawag.
29 seconds. For 23 seconds. Stop. First throw. Second throw. 1 point.
Huli!
First throw. No good.
Mga ni, among kagawad, there is kasisang. Grabe nga sportive
Second
basketball,
throw.
mga idol. Last stop, Kyrie Seed. Hinabe is good.
1 point. 9, 3, 4 of JT. 3, 2, 1. Time for third period.
That's the end of the third quarter. 32-24 CGL.
Score 32-24.
Ara tong bola inyong di-warm upan.
Time last period.
Nice one, Ton!
Score 34-24. Favor of CG.
Sky! 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 Ay, tanawa! Umala, Sky! Umala! Switch, Sky! Agi! Sara, Sara!
Ay, sayang ah! Grabe ka gwapo ito pasa.
Ah! Action! Play, play, play! Hoy, dagan!
No goal.
Okay!
Labas na si Pamero.
Sky, balik, Sky! Ayan yun. Kunin, kuha.
The score ay 5 minutes and 5 seconds.
Bangon! Bangon!
Ay, goal check!
Kino.
Time out muna si Coach Darwin Hinabi.
Score favor of CG. Time 4 minutes and 42 seconds.
Back to the ball game. Time 40 na out. Time remaining 4 minutes and 42. The score is 34-26 CGL.
Wala sa Kino.
Strike! Kaya! Labanan po ito sa Bukidnon, mga idol ah. Alam po sa inyong kalaman, labanan po ito ng Bukidnon. Last throw, Mr. Barangay.
Second throw. No goal.
Fernandez for the rebound. Alam bata. Selva, ayaw.
Score 37, 3 minutes. Score 39, 50.
Grabe, galing naman ginawa ni Barangan. Thirty-nine, 30, CGL, 9 points. Timeout muna si Coach Joseph Lantong and Coach Judy Hipos for 3 minutes and 22 seconds ang natitirang oras. Let's go Warriors! Let's go Warriors! Let's go Warriors! Saba! Let's go Warriors! Grabe, lumilipad ang mga sikiting dito. Hinabe, kulap jumper! In and out, putback of jersey number 7, ayaw pa rin. It's a lost ball, ball position by CGL. 4 minutes and 36.
Time 2 minutes 56 seconds.
Oh, ganyan naman ang ikot ng bola.
Time 2 minutes and 18 seconds.
First charted throw of Alam Batang is miss.
Timeout, Kinos.
Nabe, time remaining 1 minute and 45, 42, 30.
Time 1 minute and 45 seconds.
Labanan po dito sa Bukid nun mga idol CGL versus Kinos over Coach Darwin Hinabe.
Ayam dagang itu kuat mu gula. Kuat ini dagang tu. Untuk apa?
Fernandez first charted throw. Grabe, galing talaga ng batang ito.
22. Time, 1 minute and 40 seconds. Oh, 1 minute and 21 seconds. Action. Execute.
Inyuro!
Agad.
53.6, 42, 34.
53 seconds.
Barangan! Oh! What a shot play! Barangan!
26.
25 seconds sa natitirang oras.
26 seconds.
Grabe ang laban na ito mga idol.
Time out. Kino.
44-36.
26. 5 minutes. 32.
Labas mo na si Fernandez.
Logo. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Pick the base!
Score, 42-26.
Still undefeated!
Kamusta?
Best player of the game. Grabe ang laban na yun mga idol. Grabe ang laban. Grabe labanan dito sa Bukidnon po ito mga idol ha. Grabe. Grabe talaga. Grabe talaga. Grabe talaga ang laban. Best player of the game. Whoa! Still undefeated.
Best player, number 2, Brandon.
Wow! Best player of the game, Skyler Barangan. Maraming salamat mga idol sa panonood. Yun ang best player namin, oh. Oh, yun. Oh, best player of the game. Barangan, ciao, ciao. Grabe, idol. Congrats, idol. Anong masasabi mo, idol? Anong masasabi, no? Best player of the game ka. Anong masasabi? Kinausap kita kanina. Anong masasabi?
Oh, ini Una ko na magdula. Dili ko sa ha. Dula ra.
Yeah! Maraming salamat sa panonood mga idol. Panalo po ang CJL.